Hello folks. Well, today's video is me giving Tom McGinn his first lesson and flight on the DJI Spark. Here we go. Tom, we're going to take this DJI Spark.
Okay.
And we're going to try and fly it with just the transmitter first and see how that goes.
All right.
All right, the way you turn this thing on, turn the transmitter always on first. You hold that in once and then hold it in again.
Okay.
And then the drone, that you hold that please, and you have to push the button in once and then let go and hold it. The lights will go on, so you won't probably be able to see that. So 1, 2. And that's now running.
I don't see any lights.
Yeah, they're on the battery. These always have to be pointed up. When you want to start taking video, you have to push this, and when that happens, these red lights, when it's recording, they're kind of hard to see because they're on the front, they go out.
Oh.
So if you take the other button here and push it, that'll take a still picture. Go ahead and try it. Just push that one and see what happens. Okay, see, it blinked. It took the picture. It gave you like a second.
Okay, if I do that.
And that one, it starts recording. And the lights are out and it's ready to go.
It's recording now.
It's recording now. Hey, hey, hey.
This is up and down.
Right. You have to pull both sticks into the corner. Let go. All right, it's front running, so now you can go up and down.
They're going?
It's going. Take off.
That's nice.
Now if you turn around, everything's going to be backwards.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And that's where the camera's aimed. Don't have the phone on. Another proud Spark owner.
Hey.
So why don't you bring it back over here and land it. Just bring it down, it'll come down slow. Hold the throttle all the way down. Keep holding it. Yeah.
That was neat.
Good job. All right, let's see what else we can do. Now this, just the camera. No, that's just the camera.
Pushing forward, right?
No, you have to push both sticks inside,
yeah.
I think. Then let go. Okay, it's running. And watch the screen so you can watch where the camera is. What did that say?
I don't know.
Here you go, folks. Can you see it?
Once in a while. Here it is.
I'm trying to do circles on you. You're really getting up there. You got it aimed down at it? Tom?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're way up there now. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and bring her down. It's hard to tell, you know, I've run into drones before. No, I'm gonna... Cars. Now you can bring it down.
Aiming the camera? Where am I? Oh, I see it.
Nerves of steel. Nerves of steel.
Beautiful.
And I'm gonna try and get up there under the drone. Ready to go? Here we go. Still? Well, I'm gonna have to bring it down. U.F.O.
That is pretty cool. Try that again. Looking for me.
It's windy out here today, folks. You can see. Now it's going away by itself. I'm going to take a selfie. Let's see. And it did. So now, if I want to move around,
Oh, that is cool. Okay. I'm impressed.
Well, thanks a lot, Tom, and thanks a lot for watching, folks, and also thanks to Ilea for the second grip camera work. Please subscribe and make sure to click the bell to be notified of my next video with more in-depth testing of tap mode, tripod, quick shots, and more in the gesture mode. And if you want to see my drone midair video, click on the link here, or if you're in a cell phone, see the description box for the link. So this is a NightFlyyer saying, see you next time.